Mom, are you okay?
I don't feel very well today.
You have a fever.
I think I need some medicine.
I will help Mom.
I am going to buy medicine. Please stay with Mom.
I promise I will help her. I know how to help Mom. I will do the chores.
That's very sweet.
I will clean the living room. You are doing a great job. I want you to rest. Oh, oh! What should I do now? I didn't mean to break it. I'm scared Mom will be sad. But I should tell the truth.
I brought the medicine.
Thank you.
Ben, is everything okay?
Mom, I broke your vase. It was an accident. I'm really sorry.
Being honest is very important. The truth makes us strong.
I understand, Mom. Here is your water, Mom. Thank you, Ben. I want you to get better soon.
I feel much better today.
That's wonderful!
We are so happy.
I am lucky to have such a caring family. We always help each other.
I love my family.